Choosing the right color for your garage door is an important aspect of your home's exterior design. For homeowners with a red brick house, selecting a color that complements the rich, warm tones of the brick can make a big difference in curb appeal. At 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 Garage Door Repair in Houston, Texas, we understand how essential color coordination is when it comes to creating a beautiful and cohesive home exterior. A well-chosen garage door color can do several things: enhance architectural features, boost curb appeal, and create harmony with the overall look of your house. Let's dive into the 6 best garage door colors for a red brick house. First, there's classic white. This timeless choice brightens up your exterior and creates a clean, crisp contrast with red brick. However, be prepared for a bit more cleaning, as white can show dirt easily. Next, we have deep gray. Gray adds sophistication and elegance to a red brick home, with the added benefit of hiding dust and dirt better than lighter colors. Just be mindful when selecting a shade to ensure it complements the brick's tone. Rich brown is another great option. Brown tones blend naturally with red brick, creating a warm and cohesive appearance. It's perfect for a welcoming, earthy look that complements the brick's rich colors. For a more understated approach, consider soft beige or tan. These neutral tones can provide a balanced, elegant look without overpowering the beauty of the brick. If you're going for a bold and modern look, black is an excellent choice. Black adds drama and contrast, creating a striking visual impact against red brick. Just keep in mind that black absorbs heat, which can affect your garage's temperature. Finally, forest green offers a refreshing and unique alternative. It complements the warm tones of red brick while bringing a natural, earthy vibe to your home's exterior. When choosing the perfect garage door color, remember to consider the overall color scheme of your home, including the roof, trim, shutters, and front door. Don't forget to test samples under different lighting conditions to see how the colors interact with your brick. And if you're unsure, a professional designer or color expert can provide helpful insights. For more information and personalized assistance, visit 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 Garage Door Repair, your trusted partner in garage door solutions. At 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 Garage Door Repair, we're here to help you select and install the perfect garage door for your red brick house. Contact us today for expert advice and professional service in Houston, Texas.